Alright guys, today I'm going to be doing a recipe, okay? So, I'm not going to cook all this at once. I'm going to be cooking it throughout for different recipes. But this chicken breast pack was actually on sale. The cheapest I've ever seen it, by the way. Yeah, it was actually a really good deal. As you can see, the price of it's like 13 bucks, so couldn't pass that up. And I have some Organic Girl Super Greens mix that I'm going to be using. So I like this because it's quick for your greens, and I also have some cauliflower. This was also on sale. So why I like the greens is that you can just grab it and put it in without doing a lot of preparation work. So I'm going to be doing an Instant Pot recipe. So I'm going to be cooking probably 2 chicken breasts and some cauliflower and some carrots, and then mixed it with some rice, and then I'll be back. So stay tuned. Alright, so I have the chicken breast in my Instant Pot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill it up with a little bit of water in there, and then it's gonna cook, and then I'm gonna actually add in the vegetables, and then like carrots. I'm not gonna put in the greens yet. I'll put in the greens at the end, and then I'll put in some rice, and then we'll cook all that, and then should be good to go. So check that out. The chicken breast is fully seasoned, so just be. So as you can see, the chicken's almost done. So I'm gonna be putting in my vegetables. Here are some of the cauliflower and carrots I have, and then I'm going to put rice in. So you have to make sure when you cook the rice in the Instant Pot with that rice button, you have to make sure it's fully covered or submersed in the water to get full tenderness, or else you're going to be like chewing on bullets, because some of them are going to be hard and some of them are going to be soft. So alright, I'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see, the rice is in there. It's all submerged in the water, so it's time for to put the lid on, and then we're gonna hit the button. Alright, I'll be back. Alright guys, it is done. As you can see, the rice is all fluffy. If you follow my instructions, you generally always get pretty perfect rice all the time. So here is, let's do a quick taste test. The rice. It's really good. You get the flavor of everything. Now all I'm gonna do is add the greens to it now, and then it'll go really well. So I'll be right back. Alright, so it's finally done now. I have my Organic Girl greens in here. These are really good. So I put it in at the end. So while this is still hot, it'll still cook this up. And you're going to get the flavor of the rice and the cauliflower and the chicken. It's really good. Thanks for checking out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel. Okay, just as a quick side note, if you guys were wondering about the chicken, it is so tender. That chicken is so good. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post them below, subscribe to the channel.